And what is up, guys? It's been a long time no see, hasn't it? Well, I can't tell you that I've given up on the channel, but it sure seems like it. So about that Suzuki that we started on, you know, the very first video we made to begin with. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, that was a cool little video we had going. I liked it a lot. It was the start of a good channel. To be 100% honest with you guys, I had no idea what I was doing with the camera. I didn't even know how to talk to this thing. Literally, didn't know shit about it. But now I've been doing my homework for quite some time. I've been playing with this camera. I learned how to crawl before I walked. I went back to photography rather than doing video work. I've learned a lot more about my camera. I've learned more about what I need to do with it, and I'm just getting there, you know? So as we start this back up, I'm gonna get back on track with the Suzuki. I can't exactly remember where I left you guys off at, but we're gonna figure it out and go check it out. Come on, let's go. So, another thing you guys may have missed. Went out and bought myself somewhat of a classic. Listen to it. All that horsepower, right? So honestly, a lot's happened since the last time that I put out a video. I've still got the red car. It still runs-ish. It's got a little problem. I need to get the injectors cleaned, I believe. Now that I've changed jobs, I've got a little bit more free time as well as money to play with to work on it. So I'm looking to make it a little bit more of a car in the future. Maybe a little more reliable, maybe something that I could actually get out on the street if I want to. And it's real. The laws here for cars, it's real. And having a hood exit exhaust, that's not something that's let's just say it's frowned upon. And I'm not a big advocate of getting pulled over and getting my car towed and my tags taken and all that stuff. So I don't really get it out on the road much. But I am happy to announce the new car that I'm driving right now. However, it's gonna have some progress. It's gonna have some things that go on with it, and it's really gonna be my dedicated street car. Now, yes, I still want to be able to drive my race car on the street, but I'm just saying, this is gonna be the street car for Southwest Flow. And yes, Rice Bowl is on the tags. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I don't know if you heard that rod knock, but I did. Man, I love this car though. Well, here we are back at the old compound. This place is looking like a wretched mess, but I'm telling you right now, I've missed it. So let's get in here and get the Suzuki out of the way. That way we can start on this thing. Since you guys have been gone, not a whole lot's changed, but we have managed to mess up every door in this damn garage, as well as make the biggest mess out of this place that you could ever imagine. And look what we have here. All right, so here it is, guys. The 3.6 that came out of that car, I wound up using it because of the junkyard motor being, well, you know, junk. So what I did is I went with all new Cloy's timing components throughout this motor. Cleaned it up while I had this cover off and put all new OEM gaskets all through it for everything that had to be pulled off in the first place. It's back together. I've got the harness on it. There's just a few things that I need to button up to finish it, and then I can attach it back to this transmission and put it back in the subframe and place it up in this car. But it's been winter and it's been cold, and I don't like working on stuff in the cold, so I haven't been messing with it. But with all that being said, I need to get this place cleaned up a little bit and get started on this project, get this thing out the door. You know anybody that's looking for a car? Tax season's coming up. Yeah, I'm kind of putting it out there. You wanna buy it? You wanna buy it? You want it? Make you a good deal on it.